Crack open the digital toolbox. In the vast world of business, certain tools stand out. First up, Google Analytics, the Sherlock Holmes of online traffic. It tracks, analyzes, and reports website data, an absolute must-have. Next, MailChimp, the king of email marketing. With its user-friendly design and comprehensive analytics, it's a marketer's best mate. Then there's Canva, a graphic design genius, making every post a masterpiece. Don't forget SEMrush, the SEO superstar, helping you stand tall in search engine rankings. And lastly, Hootsuite, the social media maestro, managing all your platforms in one place. These 5 tools, a quintessential quintet, are sure to amp up your digital marketing game. Remember, the right tools make all the difference.